How to find your Zelle account number. Zelle typically does not use account numbers for transactions. Instead, it relies on email addresses or phone numbers associated with users' bank account. When you send money through Zelle, the funds are directly transferred between bank accounts. If you have specific questions about your Zelle account or need assistance, it's best to contact the bank directly for guidance. They can provide information on the details associated with your Zelle account, such as the linked email address or phone numbers. Hope you understood the topic. That's it. Thanks for watching the video.